child support recovery is a huge benefit for anybody that would want to apply.
Child support can be a complicated issue, and sometimes it can cause communication issues between parents. They both understand the importance of supporting their child, but sometimes there's some disagreements or different opinions on how best to do that. That's where having the service of the Child Support Recovery Unit really can help out.
Some of the benefits that we have available to our clients are financial help, emotional help.
We're a neutral third party, so whether we're talking with one client or the other client, the Child Support Recovery Unit does not discuss any information with one party that another party might tell us.
One of the biggest advantages would be to get the child support payments set up on a consistent basis through that income withholding, or maybe a payor would be interested in setting up auto withdrawal if they're self-employed, or if a person has any concern over the amount that they're paying and maybe it should be adjusted, then they could apply and then request a modification of the support order.
It's very unlikely that customers will have the same income for the duration of the child's life, so we want to make sure that those are adjusted as need be.
One of the benefits of child support recovery is the fact that balances are tracked. You get credit for the payments that you've made, but also if you're employed and you call and tell us that you've changed an employer and we are actively participating in your case, we can send that new income withholding to your new employer directly and not have any delay in getting that done and not miss any payments so that you don't accumulate a past due balance.
That is a benefit because a lot of times when people change employments, the income withholding order does not just follow that person. It takes our agency, our private attorney to send that to the new employer.
We have a website available to our customers. It has a ton of information, not only about child support, but opportunities to look at your payment history, check where you're at, maybe getting a review or a modification on your case. It's a free site that people can sign up for, and I really think it's a benefit for them to be able to use our website.
If any time people are not quite sure how to navigate those waters of child support, or maybe they're on the fence, that's going to be a great chance for them to talk to us. We're here to help them. We're here to help navigate that difficulty. We can be that information. They can get that straight from one of our workers here that will help them navigate what the steps are, what the processes are, how we keep their information confidential. But any of our staff can take 5, 10, 15 minutes with them, hours if needed, to make sure that they understand why we're here and what we're here to help with. Then we can actually give them the information to help them make the best informed decision for them and their family. And that's what we're really about here, is making sure that people have the information that they need and cannot get readily anywhere else.
We are so customer service oriented here. You have a state full of people that can help you out. Pick up the phone, make a call, we're here to help you. That's why you should apply.